Hey everybody, don't click off the video just because I'm a kid. I am going to be doing the burp challenge today. I have done the burp challenge once before, but I had a request to do it again. But this time I'm going to see how many burps I can do. Not the biggest burp, how many burps I can do. So it doesn't matter if they're all small because it's all about how many I do. And I can't remember who requested it. So sorry I can't say your name, but whoever requested the burp challenge again, yeah. Sorry that I can't say your name because I can't get it on there. Sorry about that. But here I go. I am epic at burping, guys. Absolutely epic. Here I go. Might as well drink the rest. Okay, I think I'm done. That was absolutely incredible, wasn't it? Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you later. Bye. Oh, I think I'm going to be sick. Oh.